Hi, this is Jeremy with I Find Leaks, and we're here at 6368 99th Way North in St. Petersburg, Florida. Had a problem with a backup that's just been cleared. I'll run through this line and see if there's anything making this thing block. Ooh, what's that? Looks like we've got a wipe of some sort at the base of the stack. Now we're just at the base of the stack. We'll push through, see what we can figure out what's going on in here. Starting to hold a little water here. You see her climbing up on top of some debris. That's why it's holding the water there. Climbed over the top of it. A little more water in the line. You can see that's toilet paper balled up in there. That was a nice thick toilet paper stoppage and a little roach. So that toilet paper probably what's been backing it up. I'll double check inside on what type of paper is being used here. Maybe that can help as well. Toilet paper should break down and not clump up like that. Drop right here. Let's see if I can find where we are. Okay, right here, 49 feet. We're just under the air conditioner on the right-hand side of the house. Let's see if I can push through this 90, get on the other side of it. So it can be marked and dug up. Alright, so I've got this marked in the backyard by the air conditioner where it can be dug up and a ground level cleanout can be put in. Looks like there's already a test tee right where I marked it. See off to the top of the pipe, which is the upper left hand corner of the screen. That looks to be the test tee. Come back this way as it turns underneath the air conditioner. It comes back into the house. Comes up that little drop. And we start working back towards that front bathroom. See all those little clumps and balls of toilet paper. That's what you don't want to see in a sewer. Because as it catches more and more. because it's not breaking down properly in the line. Here we're coming up the vent stack. Once again, I'm Jeremy with I Find Leaks. Thanks for watching.